ever been in that place where everything's falling apart and you ain't got no words left, just tears? Yeah, that's where he found me, right there in the middle of my mess. That's where grace became real. That's where God met me.
I was knee-deep in the wreck I made, running from the light, hiding in my shame. Every prayer I prayed fell lost in the rain, but mercy broke through my runaway pain.
Every bottle, every broken vow, every sleepless night,